a beautiful sight, huh? Nothing like a nice waterfall to make your day better. Even if you just fell in. But that's okay. I didn't get hurt. Just a little wet. But that's alright. It's worth it for the shot. And the shot is worth it. Awesome. This waterfall is over by a reservoir near Lehman, Pennsylvania. Dee Dee Explorers was here recently, and she did another video in this area. The aqueduct video, 70-mile aqueduct video that she did on her channel. Took me a minute to think of what it was. But I wanted to get a shot of this waterfall here. This is just incredible. I've always loved water, I've always loved waterfalls, and this is awesome. It's just a quick little video. Wanted to throw something out there real quick. Have a great one, everybody. Bye.